All right, I'm here with David Azizi from the law offices of David Azizi, and we're going to discuss some of the areas in which David has expertise, and his law firm has helped many clients in these areas. And the first one we're going to do is car accidents. Car accidents are very common. Just today I asked on Google Plus, how is driving in Los Angeles, and I created a resource, and 7 of the top 10 worst roads to drive are in Los Angeles. So accidents are bound to happen. It's just going to happen. So first of all, I'll allow you to introduce yourself, David, and tell us your expertise when it comes to car accidents, and take it a little bit further and tell me some of the cases that you have won in terms of car accidents.
Okay, well, I'm glad everybody's joining us and coming to our website. My name is David Azizi. I am the primary attorney here at the law office of David Azizi. Some of the cases, obviously, that we handle here in LA are auto versus autos. There's cases that we handle that autos are involved with buses, trucks, motorcycle accidents, but at the end of the day, somehow some automobile vehicle is involved in the accident. We've handled cases from minor impacts where our clients have had severe injuries as a result of a minor impact, where most people are like, wait a minute, how did you even get any bodily injury as a result of that accident? And we've gotten cases where I'm sure there'll be pictures on our website where the rear end of the whole vehicle smashed in, and you're questioning and scratching your head and saying, how did anybody get out of this vehicle alive? So we've handled everything, and we specialize only in personal injury. Whereas some other firms do a little bit of employment law, a little bit of personal injury, a little bit of other kinds of law. All we do, and we've purposely have done that, is to focus just on personal injury, anything that's accident related, anything where somebody's injured. And having done that, we have, over the years, have a group of employees and staff members, experts and physicians that work with us, and we know how to handle these cases from the beginning all the way to trial if those cases need to go to trial. And basically, when you get these kind of cases, it's very important to get to them right away from the beginning, get the right investigation done, get everything that needs to be done on the case to be able to proceed and go forward with it. And so that's basically the kind of cases that we've handled and helped clients get the medical care that they need, work up their cases, and so forth.
So that brings me to the next question, David. So if someone has been in a personal or an injury, has had an injury because of a car accident, a lot of people know, what is the next step? How do I contact you? Am I going to have to sit through 5 hours of investigation? Am I going to have to be on the phone for the next 12 hours? They're probably hurting. How does that process go? When somebody gets your phone number, tell them your phone number first of all. How does the process go that they move forward?
Okay. The way the process works is our phone number. We have several ways of you being able to reach us and contact us. We have an app that we've created that clients can download from our website that'll help them in case they're involved in an accident. They can go ahead and videotape the scene of the accident, videotape or take photographs of the vehicles involved in the accident. It has the option to call an ambulance, it has an option to call a tow truck. So that's one way, and on our app you can go ahead and click on a button and it'll connect the potential client to our office, and we're available 24/7, so we can talk to the client, and most of the time it'll be through an attorney that'll guide the person through the process, explaining to them how this process is going to go. And if they can come to our office, that'd be great. If they can't come to our office, we can send somebody to meet them either at a hospital, at their home, because most of the time what happens is our clients are injured as a result of an accident. So they can't come to us, so we make arrangements to go to them. We have an 800 number, which is 1-800-991-5292. That's one way to contact us. Our website also has a feature where if you want to send a message to us about your accident and inquire if we can help you or not, that's another way we can do it. Once we take on the case and go forward with it, if it needs to go to trial, we use the most up-to-date technology such as using animations to show how the accident occurred, because a lot of times nowadays, in this day and age, it's all but visual. Juries want to be able to see how an accident occurred. They want to see that when this car smashed into the car of our client, how did the body of our client move forward, backwards, sideways? And in addition to that, we use the medical illustrations and some other animations to also show how our client's body moved as a result of a collision and portray to the jury as to how the injury to the person's body occurred. Because the defense usually takes the position that this was a minor impact, or this accident couldn't have caused the type of injury that you're claiming, or this is a pre-existing condition you had. But what we